Today we're making Morph, stop motion.
Boom shakalaka to all the people that want. Everybody get it.
This is it. Whoa, the story of Aardman so far. Now check this out. We are in Shaun the Sheep Museum.
Oh my god.
And Morph.
Daddy, look at yourself. Daddy.
Now we're going to try to make a stop motion. What, am I in it? Oh!
Oh my god. Oh.
That's so weird. My nose. Look at my nose. You might have guessed it, we're at the Wallet and Gromit Museum. We want to show you how to make an animation at home using any device. It is so simple. Stop motion basically is an animation platform for children. Stop motion is basically animation, which is a load of still images put together like a movie. Check it out. Right, you see, this is how they make it. With tiny little characters, move them a tiny bit. So Aardman, as well as making Morph, made lots of other movies. Shaun the Sheep, but he also made Wallace and Gromit. So obviously, some people think I look like Wallace. That's not right, people. No, it's not me. Does not look like me. It's anyone that grin. Not funny. Right, so first step, we've got to make a little character. Now we're going to go just for Morph. I just want to make a Morph to show you stop motion, step by step by step. I've got some Play-Doh. Yeah, use plasticine, Play-Doh, salt dough. No, anything that's flexible, right? Play-Doh, check it. We made a manta ray.
I made that.
And we're going to use wire inside, like his skeleton, so that I can just slowly twist the wire when I want his arm to move. Because Play-Doh is still quite floppy, but it has great colour. So I'm going to use some wire. I've got thin wire, I've got medium wire. So I've got to get this little character that can move very slowly, and I can take a picture. Picture. Right, so when you get quite a long piece of wire. Look how long that is. Yeah, and you've got to find the middle of it. And that's where your head is. You twist it. Twist. You don't really need pliers for this. If you use this kind of electrical wire, it's really nice. There you go. Down to now you've got the leg sticking out. Now, of course, you want to go back up for the arms. So you've got to turn this over and twist. See that? See? Leg. Coming up, twist round, arm out. Neat. Then lift this one like that. Twist it. Around the body, arm coming out. Here you go. Now the plasticine goes on. Here's the guy, I put the plasticine on him. He's got the metal inside him. Can you see on his feet? See? Yeah. And that means I can twist him and he should stay in place. Of course, you're only doing really little movements throughout the whole thing. So, yeah. Oh. Frame. Second one. Scissors are sharp. Play-Doh is cool. I'm a little morphy guy. I'm like a little ninja. Right, now you've got your little guy, you've got to think of a backdrop. Now, honestly, plain white works really well. Don't go too complicated. If you can just get a nice, clean white surface with good, like, consistent light, that's going to work very well because you've got bright colour, white, and that's what Morph does. Check out Shaun the Sheep's sets he's made. This is an actual set made. Look at him. What? Right guys, here's some sets. Check these things out. It shows you exactly how it's made. Now we've got to make like a little set for our stop motion. So good. Check out this one. Whoa. Okay, welcome to the studio. I got my iPad. You need a device with stop motion downloaded from the App Store or from Android. Now there you go, there's my guys. I've used really plain blank canvases as my backdrop. I really like that, I think it's professional. Look at that. Okay, now I've got some frames. These are the frames. I'm going to build up about 30 frames for a short movie. Check this out. What? Absolute carnage. This is really hard. Look, the guy's falling apart. Addie likes playing with this thing. Addie, you taking the light apart? The most important thing of the set? Great.
Well, I'm going to put it back.
Ha! That did not work. It's just falling apart. You've seen it. It's like a mud man. So we're going to go back to simple shapes like balls, like snakes or tubes. And in that way we can make it move and be interesting anyway. Right. Back to the drawing board. Oh, that's so good. Right, here's my setup again. Right, so simple. Kept the light, kept the camera steady, and that's all it. Do it. It's so good, honestly. Right, guys, like and subscribe. Do this project. Morph stop motion. You don't need very much. You need a device and get the app, and then some plasticine. We've had a great time building it. Now we're going to go through to the next step. Cool. Like, subscribe. I'll keep making them. Peace, Mr. B. Peace.
The way you grab me, must wanna get nasty.